Hi, I'm on here today just to show you how you can log into our new learning platform in school, Education City. So as you can see, I'm just going to go through Google now. I'm just searching Education City, and there it is. Go to the login page. Your child will have been sent home with their login details. So I've got a made-up child to use, Envious Pupil. I'm going to put in the password. Choose your country. There we go. And this will be then their login page. And as you can see, there's got classwork, homework, revision, subject scores, online safety, etc. And the teacher will have assigned work to them. So I'm going to look in the homework folder for you. And as you can see, they've been added to one city. So if you click on it there's all the activity that has been assigned for your child. So once you log into your child's page, everything that's been assigned to them by a teacher for homework is what they'll be completing. I have already loaded these ready for my class for lockdown learning, just in case we need to go into isolation within the class. So then that's all the pupil does, is click on the one they want to do. Lots of them have videos, some of them are worksheets. I've got the sound down on my computer at the moment, but once I click that, then it'll lead them through everything. It will also track their scores. As you can see up in this corner here, it's got a time for them, and it's also got how many questions they've had and their score. I'm going to finish that one. If you click continue, obviously it'll take you right the way through it. These scores then are sent to the teacher, and the teacher is also told who has logged in and completed all the tasks. And so obviously the teacher can monitor exactly what's going on the page. So please, if you can find the time this weekend to log in and have a little look at Education City, there's lots of different things on there for you to have a little look at. So thank you for joining me. Hwyl fawr.